Hi there, teachers. Some teachers are not having all of the Google tools available, or they're trying a feature and possibly it disappears for a little bit. This is my suggestion for you. Basically, don't be overwhelmed. We're going to archive it, your class, and then unarchive it. And that will basically give a refresh with you as a teacher with all of the pro tools. I'll walk you through these steps. What you do is you can open your regular Google Classroom. There's those three dots here. It's hard to see here because of the diploma, but there's always those three dots. I'm going to click there. Don't be scared of the word archive, but that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click archive. That will trash it, but it's retrievable. And this is a lot of words to say nobody will see it in their menu and nobody can change it unless we unarchive it, which we'll do very soon. So I'm going to say, yes, please archive this. Takes almost no time. Students don't see it right now, so don't do it in the middle of the class or 5 minutes before class. Now I'm coming up here, Google Classroom, I'm clicking here, and I'm scrolling all the way to the bottom. Here's all of the archived classes you've done at any time in your history here at Raffles. It takes a moment to load. The most recently archived one will be here most at the top. So again, three dots. Again, not quite the same, but restore. It's going to say, are you positive? It will show up in the classes menu for all students. Everyone can interact again. Co-teachers can interact again. Yes, that's what we want. And just note, I'm still archived. So you just go here to go to your classes. That should be it, but to verify it, it makes sense to verify it. What you'll do, the name of your class, it makes sense to start with your house block and with your advisory. It even puts it in the same, I lied, I thought I put it in the same spot. It's going to have it here as a newest class. I'm going to put, here again, I'm going to go in. I'm going to click my Meet link. I'm going to move my face. I'll just throw that away. I'm going to join. Soon, I'll join. And then two buttons you really want to look at right down here. This one will allow your breakout rooms. I would still click one time just to verify that not only does it show it as an option, but it shows something that I can interact with. This is what I want to see. It's not grayed out. After I click on it, I still have options. And this is the one. This is what I love. Quick access. I want to shut that off. And that means I am the first person to join a class. Everyone who wants to join after me, they need my permission. They need to request permission. So this is what I would suggest. I'm going to click X. I'm going to hang up. And it's going to say, are you sure you want to keep this off? And for me, the answer is yes, I do. So I'm going to end the call. Nobody can join this class now until I join right away at the beginning of tomorrow's class. I hope it's helpful. And if you have more questions, please reach out.